FXBros.
Good morning, good morning. We are back Tuesday morning live. Oh my. Well, I know on Sunday, just to do a little slight recap of what we're looking at. On Sunday, I had took buys here. Was it here? Yeah, buys here. Market went high and then we got stopped out going into Monday morning. Then around here, it looked like 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Monday morning, we had a bullish engulfing. And then also later on that evening at 9, we had a bullish engulfing. So we hopped back in buys, still looking to TP up here because I almost hit TP on my last one. I've hit buys on Sunday, but it never reached up to here. So we lost that one. But we in on another one and looking to see if we can reach up here to take profit. What was that?
Easy calls, easy calls.
You heard me?
What's poppin'?
Ain't shit. Trying to see what this morning gonna do with this news drop.
It look like AJ got some more sales coming in.
Yeah, I didn't catch them last one. Let me see.
Yeah, I've been starting to build back up on sales now. It's probably about to break back out though, but
Yeah, that's what I want. That bitch had tipped right in that hole Sunday at midnight. I wanted.
yeah, bro, you just gotta get it right there. Fuck it.
I know.
I ain't about to dip it there. Put the stop loss above that area, you good. Just gotta go with it sometimes.
Shit, I was asleep. I couldn't go with nothing.
Yeah, bro, I had lost a good bit last week, so this week I had to focus up. I made that shit back. Then I had lost another 100. Nigga said made that shit back. Now I lost another 100. Now I'm cause I was down the 2,000 off of I had 27.
Damn, what you was primarily trading, NAS or US30?
When I made it back or when I lost?
You was losing. Oh, that was when you had lost that gold trade.
Last week, them gold losers and shit, yeah.
Yeah, them gold, yeah, I forgot about that.
All that swinging on gold and shit. So I said, fuck it. This week, what happened, I just waited for whatever I seen that was my setup, and I just got in, bro. And bro, I'm talking about on the plane, bro. Like what that was Monday when I got on the plane when I told y'all, I messaged y'all.
Yeah.
It was like 5 in the morning. I put in the move. I bought German 40 and I bought a NASDAQ. Man, when I say by the time I got off the plane, nigga, my take profit hit on because I had 2 NASDAQ buys. One of them hit. The other one was still floating, and DAX was up. I'm like, man, everything up. Boy, I'm lit. Nigga, that bust. I was up like 400.
Nice.
And that was after one of the take profits hit. I'm still floating in blue. I'm like, damn. So I could have really made boop.
Right.
Like I could have been up 28. This shit, I'm at 26. It's all good.
What broker you use?
Huh?
I said, what broker you use?
Sway right now.
Sway.
But they kind of ass. I ain't gonna lie. The reason I say that is because you can't do no market on it. I mean,
you never use KLT?
Yeah, I still got them. I just don't have no money on that right now. I'm once I start withdrawing from from Sway and shit, I'm gonna start filling that shit back up. But right now I'm just gonna chill on it because I'm gonna be probably busting a lot of orders on there.
Yeah,
that's like an order account. So it just get it when I see it move. Yeah, fuck that, bro. I might have multiple accounts. Might be doing this shit for real.
So when y'all be trading like US30 and NAS, like news don't really affect them indices.
Not as hard as you would think. Like the most that shit'll do is push against it probably for like an hour, 2 hours, and then you just get. If you was in already, bro, most likely if you got that stop pulled all the way back, you should be fine. Like that mugger come probably close to that stop and just push right back in your direction and take off. But you just got to be willing to hold through the bullshit. That's the whole key. You know, if you're not over leveraging, it shouldn't be too hard to sit
Yeah,
through the bullshit. Because my thing is, when you win big, bro. Like I just told you, you know how many trades I lost last week and how many trades I took last week, and that made me lose that whole like 700 something, 750. Nigga, I had put in like 33 trades. I usually do like 20 trades a week, but I
man.
did like 33 last week, so that let you know I did over my average. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting in extra trades, doing extra shit. Man, this week I'm probably up a good 400, and I did probably like 8 trades, max
Oh,
so far. So it's not about you just got to put in them trades and hold, bro.
yeah.
Hold that shit. It's just simple, dog.
It really is. It's
It
like
is simple.
we make that shit more difficult than it gotta be.
Bro, I'm telling you, when I've been speaking that psychology shit, bro, I have not been playing emotion, psychology, all that shit. But I've been trying to nip that shit right in the bud and get straight to the money. Like
Right.
fuck that worrying about this and worrying about that. But I ain't worrying about nothing but my take profit hit.
Nah, fact.
Cause I'm learning that, nigga, when I get in, bro. I notice when I get in, bro, my stop loss, I ain't even got to pull that stop loss all the way back the way I be pulling it, because when I get in, that shit just either going with me or that bitch going against me. And you know what I'm saying? It's like Nell said, in them first 5-10 minutes, boy, that tell you everything you need to know about your trade.
Facts.
Especially with me, like I said, because when I get in, bro, I'm not getting in because I think that bitch going a certain direction. I'm getting in because I see that bitch going in a certain direction. You
Now,
see what I'm saying? And if that bitch, like, say I get in, what I do to fuck up my profits too, I get in that bitch and it'll go against me. But then when they go against me, that bitch will probably go right. Like if I put a close stop, that bitch will go right to that stop me out, and they go straight back in my direction. That's why I don't like close stops. Them close stops be fucking me every time.
yeah, that's
And
what I
I get
said.
in
Like
there too early.
I said, I could put close stops on AU and be good. Close enough. But I know them indices, they probably gonna swing a little bit harder and try to run nigga stop losses. You
Hmm.
know,
I mean,
but
bro, I'm not gonna. I mean, it depends. That's why I say you gotta wait. Like I don't get in what I think is gonna do. I gotta see that setup. If you don't see no setup, don't get in. Period. What niggas getting in trades don't see their setup for? That shit don't make sense. You know what I'm saying?
you get in the market, are you like getting in on an impulse? Or are you waiting for like candles to close and you'll surefire setup?
Impulse mostly. I don't. Them closes,
Because you
bro. Like
because
Nell said again, them closes, bro. You be about to be the miss the whole damn trade, bro. So as soon as I see my setup begin to
range and shit.
happen, it's lit, huh?
I said you be getting in like breakouts of ranges and shit.
Do I get in like when it's in ranges? When it's ranging?
What like what get you in the market? Like what's your strategy? What's your setup?
I do like breakouts, because when it's raining, honestly, you just got to look at the range, and then once it break out of the range, it's usually going that way. But my thing is, if it's with trend and it breaks out in trend direction, well, there you go. This what we've been waiting on. Shit, you know what I'm saying? But if that
Yeah.
bitch like if that been like in a range, I don't like to take range trades too much, man. That shit be doing too much. But what I mainly look for, like I said, I'm on an 8 hour to 4 hour chart, and I'm looking for like a pullback, and then like I'm looking for a trend first. If I go to any market, that's why I like AJ right now. I don't give a fuck what chart it is, what time it is, nothing. Like if that bitch got the setup on a certain chart, I'm hopping on that bitch. You making money, period. Point blank, period. Like, so I'm looking for that pullback on the full, like on the 8 hour for real. Like, see, I'm in a trend. I see a fire trend, like on AJ. I was just saying that AJ move is setting up nice. See how it pulled all the way back to that level right there, and then it started to drop? No, the second one.
Yeah.
Because this was me looking at it after it made that drop right there. I seen that pull back right there, and I said, as soon as that bitch start dropping again, like, give me one red hour, goddamn, 4 hour red candle, and shit, because you don't really have time on that 4 hour. That bitch done made the whole move, but that bitch give me one red hour, bro. I would have been on that bitch. I was just asleep, but that's an easy call. You see what I'm saying? That's an easy fucking call. Even I'm talking about it went right into that range to the left, go down. Right there, it went right down
Come on, right here.
into that little no, go down. Right under it. No, nigga, to the left. That little consolidation.
Oh, up here.
No, right where you was at.
This?
Right there. Yeah. It went right into that range to the right. When it recently, just now, it went right into that range last night. You
Come
see
on.
what I'm saying?
This look.
Yeah, it went right into that range. It couldn't even go in the range. Remember I told y'all? Remember I said this last week? I said if that bitch closed within the range, then it's possibly gonna go higher. But the fact that it couldn't even close within that range let you know it's not even trying to go there.
Mm-hmm.
That bitch closed below the range and then started what? Dipping. As soon as that bitch gave me that red candle right there on the hour chart, up, you could just sell, bro. Easy sales. Go to the hour chart and look at that first red candle right there. See how that bitch dipped on that first real red candle right there under that range. Then boom, it made a green candle that couldn't go no fucking well, had no volume on it, and started selling again. Up, you could have sold that bitch from right there at the top. You see what I'm saying? To the right, I'm talking about all the way to the right. That last red dip. That last red dip. The last one.
This.
Not that one, because I ain't catch that. But I'm saying because this one I started watching AJ. After it made that move, I said, all right, let me see what it's doing now. So I seen it going up. And then, fuck, if I would have caught that bitch, if I was asleep right there, if I was asleep right there, shit, that's easy sales, bro.
No.
That's what I'm looking for, that right there. Easy trend. You can look at the past and you can see the screen is coming from the top and that shit going straight to the bottom. You see what I'm saying? You can see the trend.
Right.
And now that bitch went back into a range. It pulled back and then it continued. I'm looking for that pullback. And when it start continuing, shit, get in. That's
You
an easy call.
you,
It don't have to be.
you didn't catch
Yeah,
sales.
that was huh?
You said you caught sales or you didn't catch them?
No, because I was asleep. But I'm saying if I was up, that's an easy call. You ask what I'd be looking for.
Right.
That's what I'm looking for right there. I'm looking for a trend. I'm looking for that pull back into a range where it was ranging a lot at, right there. Then boom, once it showed me that it don't want to pull into that range, that's letting me know it's going back within the trend.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Because it can't go into those ranges. It can't go into that consolidation. That's heavy. That's huge. People don't be talking about that a
Mm-hmm.
lot. I don't never hear nobody talk about that. When that shit don't go into that consolidation to that left, that's letting you know, man, go ahead and get it back in that trend because the trend coming.
Yeah, basically it was just a little consolidation right here.
Yeah, and then it couldn't go back into it. You see that?
Yeah, wicked into that bitch and sold off.
And that's the whole key. As soon as it go in and come right back down, up, that lets you know right there. Easy call.
Mm-hmm.
Easy call. It went right in there and it came right back out. Like, fuck this. Bitch, ain't nobody in here that I know. I'm about to go to the club down the street.
Nah, facts.
You feel me? That bitch went right in there and left right out.
Nah, for real.
You know what I'm saying? And I don't know though. You just gotta look at that shit like that's how I look at it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like I be clocking, bro. I've been clocking lately because it's simple. That's all you need to do. Look for that. Look how big that fucking trend is.
UJ, GJ, AJ, EJ, all them bitches selling.
Look how big them trends is, though. We could have been selling for the longest, bro. Look at those fucking trends.
And
do you see that trend?
all
Do you
November.
see how easy it is? You could have been on call. Look at how many times it went to the consolidation, couldn't close within it. It couldn't close in it, and then just kept going down. Look how many times that happened. My trade strategy I just told you about.
Like it rained here.
It went in at that time, came out, it went in there again, went up, came out again. But that, you know, shit, at that point, when it did that one right there and broke out down, that let you know right there, boom, just get in, because that bitch still going down. Right. It finally broke out that range it was in to the left, and I was making lower lows. Fucking started consolidating below that and and then broke out even lower. That let you know right there that shit ain't going back up. Is it, you know, fuck. That bitch still selling. You just gotta have those stop losses pulled behind that fucking consolidation. And you good. At the top of that range. As long as you put your stop loss at the top of that range, that big range, the last big range it did, you should be good. But it gotta be like a big range, like on that 4-hour chart. Some shit like that. You should be good, bro. Put that stop loss right behind that. If it hit, it hit. If it don't, you selling all the way down to that fucking bottom. You feel me?
Yeah.
Easy calls, bro. Easy calls. I'm about to get in that AJ too. Man, fuck the bullshit. That shit about to keep going, bro.
Nah, I'm about to hop in that bitch too. I'm about to hop in AJ right now for 4 hours.
Boy, FTMO said they paid out $300 million this year. That's the number one funded account, bro. Boy, said they paid $300 million out. But yeah, let me go look at some shit right quick and come back.
Yes, sir. Let me see what UJ. Yeah, UJ is not. The dollar is dropping. Dollar gotta be. Well, it ain't dropping hard, but it's definitely
easy fucking calls.
Yes. Hopefully we get this continuation on AU for buys and dollar is selling. So UJ is selling, GJ, AJ, EJ, everything is selling. Along with the dollar. What the NAS looking like? NAS is pretty much bullish coming out of this little low. But soon, yeah, it was a pullback. Now we at the high, so maybe we could be looking for buys around this area. On NAS, pullback. US 30. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling on them hoes. S&P trying to turn back, possibly. That bitch has been on a run. Every time it pulls back, it breaks the high. Damn near. That's crazy. S&P is not to be fucked with. All-time high. We in 6,000 S&P 500. Never before seen. Ever in life. That shit crazy. Stock market is doing numbers, obviously. If S&P up, I mean, the Magnificent Seven is up for the most part. I'm really waiting on Uber to break out. I'm waiting on Uber to break out above here. They've been doing good. Earnings had a little dip. Let's see how they move in the.
You hear me?
Huh?
I said that gold finally started to push up out that range. That bitch finally broke out. Stupid ass shit.
Yep. 26.54.
That bitch finally broke up. I've been seeing it went into that area. It couldn't break below it, but I just didn't want to test it, chance that shit.
Yeah.
Cause I've been making good money elsewhere. So I said, "Fuck, I'm gonna wait till this bitch show me all the way that it's about to do what it needs to do, so I can get it. Cause I'm not about to be playing with none of this shit, bro. Like you said, we gotta look at this shit as a business. Fuck, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till the business straight. Fuck.
You gotta be in the business of buying other businesses cheap and selling them when they're at their peak.
Right.
Just like Warren Buffett do. Buying businesses low and selling them at their peak. That's the name of the game. Yeah, gold looking good. I mean, it never broke below shit for sure. Like this 2620 is holding wick rejections here, wick rejection here, and it settled here. Couldn't break below that 2620. I need to come above 2670. Then you good. Close above there, you golden. It's going. I mean, if you look at it, this bearish engulfing should have sold gold low, but as soon as we got that candle on the daily, that motherfucker just been consolidating and do nothing. All these weak ass indecision candles has been printing.
Right. That shit about to break out and go up, though. Tell it.
Looking ugly.
Get in that bitch. Cause that, like you said, that shit should have been so low.
Facts. Facts.
That bitch been in the sale
There it
for
is.
the longest. That
No,
shit not holding up.
that was the beginning of a week. That bitch did all this shit. Pretty much nothing.
Yeah, no, you gotta come put your $100 in the crack account.
Man.
Just 100. I'm gonna show you how to get it all the way down. Don't trip. Just take trades with me. We gonna make it all the way. I'm about to go to 10,000 on their ass. I ain't playing. Roll the 25K, baby.
No, for real. I ain't gonna lie, that I was on that shit, bro, but that shit just put such a bad taste in my mouth, and I told myself I was never gonna put money in them crack accounts again. So I'm trying to.
Man, you with the right niggas now, brother. Look, how long you been trading for?
Shit, over 6 years.
Well, there you go. Shit, you ready for it now, goddamn. 6 years, I've been trading 5, brother.
Shit, I was doing that shit like what was the last time I put money in the crack account was like I think either early this year or late last year, and I just kept getting too greedy. That was my
yeah.
too greedy.
I be like that too. That's how I wind up losing.
I was turning dollars into 500 and shit. Like I was getting too greedy for it.
Yeah.
You moving too fast.
Especially with the way you trade, bro. You'll go crazy. That's why I'm telling you. You just get in that bitch. Don't over leverage. You'll be straight. You'll be straight, bro. Because I mean, you really be following your rules. You know what I'm saying? A nigga that follow their rules in this game, gonna win.
And that's the thing about it. I follow my rules as far as entries, but I'll be a little bit too lax on the management side because I'll be trying to, hold it for the longer term. Right. And me, when we get off lives in the morning or something, I work at night. So I be sleeping during the day type shit. Mm-hmm. But when that bitch will go to a certain area where I could have took profit, it wasn't my initial take profit, then it go against me, I either wake up and draw down or stop loss or whatever. So it'd be certain scenarios that happen in that fashion, but overall, like right now, like I took that L on AU, but I'm back in buys, and I'm up on that whole type shit. So it's all about, is this buy on AU gonna go to my take profit? That's the question. After we did all that selling off yesterday, we should be going up. If not, then it's gonna be continuous for sales, and I gotta change my bias, and I can't look for that TP.
Look at them AJ sales. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh man.
Them AJ sales. I'm about to get in there. You say you in?
Hell yeah. As soon as you said that, I seen the range where it could go on the.
You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get in that bitch. Hold on.
Yeah, that's just moving. Fuck that. AJ. Yeah, AJ to me look better than EJ for sales. Because it looked like it got a way, like if you look at it on the daily, AJ got, let me see how many pips that is. AJ got about 200 pips to go to the bottom. And GJ got about, shit, that bitch got 300, but it don't look like that. That's crazy. Fuck. Okay, I gotta get in both of them bitches. God damn it. Should never went so heavy on AJ. Yay. Fuck it. I can't do it. It's too late. I ain't gonna be greedy. I'm good on AJ sales. But GJ look good too. GJ got about 300 to the bottom. AJ got 200. So if it reaches all the way to the bottom, that's gonna be some good sales. I know AU. I don't want that bitch to cross under 64. Really 64.75. Cool. That bitch do not need to go back down there. We in buys. It don't need to go down there no more. We done. We should have. We could wick down there, but it better not close down. Only thing. Who buys on AJ? XRP with a nice pullback. That bitch down 10%. That boy on the grind. Grind. Every day we grinding. Every day we grinding. Every day we grinding. I know you're not on this bit, but you caught them AU sale. I mean buys. You in AU buys?
Who, me?
No, I was asking.
Hey.
I know that nigga ain't on it, but he'll reply in the chat. I was trying to see if that nigga you buys or the Jappy sales. Any Jappy sales? UJ, GJ, AJ, EJ.
GJ, as soon as I got in that bitch started going against me. I don't know about him. AJ still straight.
What, GJ for sales?
Yeah, I just got in that bitch though. I got it late.
Oh yeah, you gotta let that bitch breathe. You gotta let that bitch breathe. Yeah, that bitch.
Yeah, I probably had to re-enter that bitch or something.
Yeah, you gotta let them hoes breathe. I mean, anytime the markets went to an extreme price point, they always had some kind of pullback. So even though we selling at the bottom, nigga can't really expect that bitch to just fall. Like,
right, keep going. Right. I'm gonna hold it up. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see what it do for right now, at least.
Wait for that.
Wait a couple hours until like 10 o'clock. See how that bitch go. Perform.
Right.
I'm chilling though. Well, that's my two moves for the day. AJ, GJ sales for right now. Possibly gold buys. That's my moves for the day, man. I'm done. I probably ain't gonna make no more moves unless I'm adding to them.
Right. And here, got in the EJ sales heavy just now.
EJ?
Yeah, Jay said he got in the EJ sales just now.
Oh, he did?
Wow.
Oh, wait. Jay and Scully?
Yeah.
Why he don't be on the live? Why he don't be talking a lot of
He at work right now.
Oh, he just be listening.
Yeah, he be listening. Like he'll he be on there on Sunday, but not in the morning. He be at work.
Yeah, they gotta work. That makes sense.
No, that nigga said he be having his phone on. He got one headphone in his ear, so he be like at work doing work shit, but listening to us laughing and shit.
Yeah. That's funny. That's cool though.
You can imagine nigga got a headphone in his ear, he just laughing out of nowhere. Like, what the fuck wrong with that boy?
Headphone, nigga, headphone. Thanks.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah, we made a trade together. Let's go.
Nah, for real. I mean, shit. That's what a nigga going to. I mean, eventually, it's gonna be. We all gonna be like, this is full time. We ain't got nothing else we do. This is what we do. Prior to other side investments, whatever. But yeah, like I said,
we need to get us a little.
They gonna have a camera, a mic, and we all gonna be live, like visually, like sitting at the desk. You hear me?
We need to get us a little spot and all just have a little trade. I know we out of town, but like once we get right, I'm saying we need to have us a little spot we go to that's just for us. You heard me? We go in that bitch and trade every now and then.
Talk about it, nigga. We go get like a little commercial little building or something in New Orleans, and we go do one in Dallas.
Facts. All right.
Real talk, I had one already, bro. I had one, but I was in a weird transitional time in my life, and I lost that bitch. But because I was in the building, I was in the process of setting it up, nigga. I had a desk in there. I was gonna do that bitch up. But I can take it back though. That ain't shit. That shit was like, I think max like what, 400-500 a month.
Yeah, that's not bad, especially with it being like 4-5.
Mm-hmm. It was a nice little size, nigga. You put like 4 desks in that bitch, nigga. You hear me?
That's nothing to a big out.
Yeah, that ain't shit. Yeah, that's easy, man. We gonna definitely have that because That just gonna take shit to a whole another level when a nigga in the same room. Let alone live. You got news about the drop, the jolts, job openings.
For who? USD?
USD, 9 a.m. We got 13 more minutes, 12 more minutes.
I ain't in nothing USD right now. I'm waiting for them indices to drop all the way down. I'm gonna get right back in the bitch. As soon as NASDAQ come down to that next level, up, buy it again. Buy that bitch right back up.
Yeah, that shit have been that shit been crazy. Fucking S&P. That shit has been doing numbers. Finally broke that 6,000 price. Never before seen. It actually broke it for the first time. What was that? That was last. Oh, that was early. That was up to 11. Damn. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking something too. AU probably gonna give us a little push. We got 10 more minutes left. We'll see. I think we probably gonna be bullish, but it's gonna tell a lot in the last 5 minutes. If we start to sell off and we get closer to this open, chances are we might be selling off at least to like 64.75 or maybe 64.70.
We should have listened closer to them Japan people when they said they was gonna manipulate the markets, huh?
When they already did that though.
Yeah, and them bitches ain't, that shit ain't never stopped. they fucking dollar ain't never stopped going up since. They shit been jumping. They shit been jumping, bro. You ain't noticed that?
Yeah.
Like, literally since they said that shit turned around and never stopped. Never looked back. Literally.
That's exactly what we want. We want that same bullishness they was doing. But shit, actually, yeah, it's been selling off overall since COVID. But that's what a nigga want. We want that was the hedge. Yen was dropping, and the UJ, GJ, everything was just bullish. Everything was running up. took out Asian highs and selling out.
There we go. There we go. Now we getting some sell pressure, baby. Yeah, bro. It should be that simple, bro. It should be that simple, bro.
All them niggas selling out. Hell yeah.
This shit literally that simple, though. It's like, nigga, pick a direction, hold the bitch, and wait for your money. Literally, that's all you got to do.
Yeah.
Pick the direction that shit moving in already, and for the long term,
That's
hold that bitch out throughout the bullshit.
Nigga, waiting on your entry, waiting for your trade to set up. Like
Something I've been doing, bro. Fuck waiting. Like, because my thing is, if you get in early, you're getting a bigger payout. And if you late, I mean, if you enter already, you can just add another position when you see your confirmation. That's 2 positions. You know what I'm saying? Because when you wait, bro, that waiting shit fuck you up. That waiting shit, I ain't gonna lie. Waiting for entry, I realized, bro, either you in the game or you out the game. Come on. And I think I posted something not that long ago in the group. I said something about, nigga, if you in the game, some shit about being in the game. I forget what it was, but some shit I've been standing on, bro. Because if you in the game, you in the game. If you're not in the game, you don't have no opportunity to win.
Yeah. I mean, overall, the only thing a nigga be waiting on is your setup. You know, you got at least that.
Right. And that's what I'm saying. Like, if you see a slight setup, don't be, and you see that bitch going, it might not be the full setup, like the confirmation, but if you see that bitch setting up, like it's about to start setting up, sometimes you just want to get in right there off the start setting up. You'll be there and got in a fire position. Like you don't want to wait on the setup all the time. Like when I say that, I mean the full completion of the set. Because then, like if go on gold, I've been wanting to buy gold like Sunday and just hold that bitch because I know I'm seeing the setup. It's coming. I'm like, the bitch not going down. Like we've been saying, like we just looked at. The bitch not going down. It's not breaking below that 8-hour consolidation. So that's letting me know right there. That shit trying to go up. It can't go down no more. Easy calls, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, but I didn't want to get in it because I didn't see my setup. But I understand how the way this shit works. So I'm like, it should just keep going up. It can retest the bottom as much times as it want to. That shit will not break that low. And lo and behold, bro, nigga be up like 20 points if I would have got in where I would, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Where I was seeing this shit. I'd be up like 20 points right now. Easy calls. And it's just like that, bro. But it's like, so I mean, that's if you for sure that shit gonna happen. But if you're not for sure, don't fuck with it. It's not worth it. It's not. Like I said, I still seen the setup, but it wasn't my, go-to setup. It was like something I'm kind of starting to understand, basically. And I'm seeing that shit not breaking into them consolidation areas, especially on that 8-hour. Easy calls. Easy calls. Easy calls, bro. That's all we looking for. Easy calls. If this shit don't look like an easy call, you call me back tomorrow. You feel me? Real talk, bro. I'm not playing with this shit. I'm not playing with this shit, bro. I'm trying to make $1 million, bitch. I'm trying to get rich. I'm trying to eat steaks and shit with a bitch. You heard me?
The layman.
Trying to take a bitch on top the Eiffel Tower. Damn, dog, this bitch about to knock me down. Go fast, bitch. Yeah, I'm trying to take a bitch on top the Eiffel Tower and shit. She ain't my old lady or nothing. I'm just taking her there with me. I just met her out here and shit. But shit, she say she ain't never been up there and she lived out here her whole life. So far, it's crazy. A nigga from New Orleans got to come out here and take you, baby. But look, that ain't no problem. That ain't no. You say you never been? Shit, let's go. We go right now. What are you talking about?
Thanks. And gold made it all happen.
You feel me? Shit, the markets, nigga. Nigga, I'm touching I don't give a fuck what chart we looking at, nigga. I just love gold. It's too easy. But for right now. But it don't matter. What long as that chart got my fucking setups on it, bro. I've never lost a trade where I seen my setup. Like it like went for it. You know what I'm saying? And just waited. It went with it. Literally, you like damn near never lose, bro. If you literally wait on everything that you're supposed to wait on, everything you're supposed to do, if you do that shit to the T, you literally like never lose. I don't know about you, but I don't. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna say never lose. I'm gonna keep it real. Nigga be losing.
Hardly though. That's what I'm saying. Like if you really wait on your setup, if your shit fire enough, bro, that bit you ain't gonna lose that many times, bro. I'm telling you.
No, you're right. You ain't gonna lose that many times.
And you're gonna have a bigger win percentage, and you're gonna be making back on the ass. Because niggas be winning off of lower winning percentages. Like niggas be winning 40%, 30% of their trades winning. You know what I'm saying? You can really win about 60% of your trades if you stick to your fucking setups, if you stick to your gun. Get out there. You know, easy calls though. It gotta be easy calls. If it ain't easy calls, shit, you call. Better go call Chip for stall or somebody. Don't fuck with me.
Stupid.
Easy calls, baby.
30 seconds. News about to drop. This hello. I'm gonna keep it G. The way the market setting up, I think we'll do a sell off, and I'm probably gonna get out of these AU buys and probably gonna flip. I'm gonna see though. See right now. Market.
They trying to play with us right now, but we in a little late, so we gonna catch all this fluctuation. I hate to kind of enter these trades this late when it already kind of made the full move.
Oh, market sold off.
What?
On AU.
What I been selling now? You selling or buying?
I'm buying. I just got out.
Damn. Yeah, that trend, bro. That trend is down. You know, I know it's probably been looking like it's trying to go up, but you gotta look for that reason to go with the trend all moments.
Yeah, I
don't like the reverse
it was
trend too much.
golfing, 2 bullish engulfings on a 1 hour and a 4 hour.
On a 1 hour and a 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That 1 hour and that 4 hour correlate. That's usually some good shit. I fuck with that too. When that 1 hour and that 4 hour giving me the same, the little
Mm-hmm.
easy call.
No,
You just gotta know when to get out. Hopefully we don't get smacked out of our calls right now. Shit. That bitch trying to pull back on us right now.
yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. I think I'm going to.
Like I said, these bitches got to 10 o'clock with me though. I ain't about to be fucking with them that long because I mean I hate to enter late like that. Like I said, I would have got that AJ sale from way at that top area where, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Where that bitch was at, like where they hit that consolidation area at. That's why I like to get in them bitches. Like if I'm in late like this, that bitch got to look real juicy. That bitch got to look real juicy. I just got in off the strength of it just has been looking real juicy. It shouldn't really go too much against Trent. Too much, at least. Fuck. I'm hoping not.
I'm about to buy the dollar and I'm shorting AU or flipped.
All right.
A flip. I'm going short on AU, man. I'm gonna short that bitch all the way back down to 64.40. That's if it breaks 64.60.
Easy codes.
Let's go. I don't know if you're still in bias, Jay, but I just flipped, man. What made me the news pushing the market down. I saw it was freaking down, but also one thing that sticked out is during London. As you can see, during London from Asia to London, we had a low created down here at 9, and then throughout pre-London and London, market created a high. And then right during London, right in the first few hours, we swept the high of the Asian session, and then we sold off. So I'm going with that notion that London wanted to do this. New York already pulled back and created a little high above these little ranges, and now we're starting to sell out to maybe 64.60 or 64.40. So I'm going with that move. No, we don't have a bearish engulfing, but I'm just trying to fade the overall sell that we've been in for the week so far. Coming from Sunday.
What I'm looking at on it, I'm gonna tell you the truth right now. On the 4 hour, it rejected the AU. It rejected the 50 EMA on the 4 hour. It went right to it, closed below it, and then started to go down. But the only problem I have with this trade right now on sales is that there's an 8 hour, and you can see it on the 4 hour a little bit, some consolidation right below where it's at right now.
64.70, 64.60.
Let me see.
Talking about that range.
Yeah, that little area right there. There's like a lot of consolidation in that area, so it has to break through that. I'm gonna see if we can get at least a close in that area. If we can get a close in that area, that's letting us know we comfortable there. You see what I'm saying? If we get 2 closes on a 15-minute, I'm like on the 15-minute right now. If we get like 2 closes on the 15-minute, so by like 9:30, if we still in that area and not pushing back up, I could look to get in. But it has to close within that area because
so I'm gonna be careful on it. I'm gonna monitor it. If we start to reject, I do know one thing. If we get this bearish close on this current 1 hour that we on AU, depending on how it closes, like say if we get a pullback and this 1 hour closes at like 64.80, 64.82, all the way up there, and then the market pushes higher, then I know that possibly it could be setting up for a bullish engulfing on the 1 hour, and then I'll probably reflip and go back with the strong bullish bias that I was following that 4 hour bullish engulfing and the 2 1 hour bullish engulfing. So yeah.
Yeah, that 64.70, 64.60 area. Right in there. Right in there.
Yep.
They got a lot of consolidation. It just got to break in there, close in there, break it. It close below it. Shit, that'd be cool too. Shit, it shouldn't. And once it breaks that area, it shouldn't go back above that area either. It shouldn't, because that's a strong area. I'm looking at that. I think it was an 8 hour consolidation down there in that little. It kept closing right in that range. So
1 hour need to close at least about 64.72 and lower. They need to close there for us to be kind of like leaning more towards sales. We need to make a new low this hour. I think the low right now is 64.72.6. We need to go below 720. We get the 790. Yeah, I ain't got the charts up. I'm over here talking charts. So yeah, we have to sales from here. News start to sell off. My notion for sales was that London created a high, and now we retracing back down. Question is, will we break through here? I'm already in position to break through, but if we do, great. If we reject this and come back up, and then the next candle is pushing higher, then I'm already probably just gonna reflip. And because I was,
you can even see it on the hour, all that consolidation.
But I'm testing to see how much, like Jay said, if this sell is news induced, how much news are we gonna sell into? Or is this just enticing people into sales and we really want to go higher? The only thing that looks good for buys, I mean, besides the 1 hour engulfings from these lows, I'm looking at how much these candles pull back to. I'm gonna look at this 1 hour. We didn't come back up to 50%, so bears was still strong on that one. Then if we look at this pullback, I even got to measure it. We can already see that we came back well over 50%. Damn, now almost engulfed it. And then we turn back around. This one retraced over 50% of that candle, looks like. Let's see. Pretty much closed. So yeah, look like we good so far. We keep selling lower.
Okay.
We'll be good, baby. It feels good when you're in profit, but niggas be sounding like crickets when you're in drawdown. I'm just being real. My TP, I'm taking half off at 64.60, and TP is at 64.40. So if you look at that on the charts, 64.60. If we start to reject here, I'm gonna be taking half off and probably take the whole thing off if we do a turnaround. But ultimately, I'm testing down here. Actually, it's like 64. 43, I think. Yeah, down here at this wick low. Oh, big push. What you think, bro? I think this flip was good. Still didn't get the sales I was looking for ultimately at the beginning of the week, but hey, you don't always get what you asked for. Yeah, I feel what you're saying with that consolidation. I feel what you're saying. I feel what you're saying.
That bitch just pushed though. I seen that. That's what we like to see though. Like that lets me know. Okay, now can we close here? Next question. Can I get a close at 9:15? I just need that 9:15, and I'll get in. I just need to see some type of, because it's pushing in that direction, you know. But it's like I need to see that close. I don't always, like I said, I don't like to always look for closes. But the fact that we're already late into this call, you want to wait for the closes because you're late. You feel me?
Right.
Like if you was early to the game, yeah, you good. But get in that bitch as early as you can, cause the stop loss is gonna be like $10 anyway. But if you fucking late, your stop loss gonna be like $100 type shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful getting into the late market. That's why I said you don't want to wait on that confirmation all the time because you don't need it. That bitch, is going in your direction. The stop loss only $10, $20. You know, but fuck a confirmation. You wait for that confirmation, your stop loss gonna go from $10, $20 to $50, $60.
Type shit.
Real talk. Fuck, I could risk $10, $20. Fuck, I spend that on nothing, on bullshit any day. I risk $20 to make $20. What the fuck? To make $100. I risk 20 to make 100. Fucking right.
Yeah, who wouldn't?
But that's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying about them confirmations. You ain't gotta always wait on them because they'll fuck up your entry.
I'm waiting on the J. I'm waiting on the J. I'm gonna see what it do around this area. It's 64, 66. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do around that rejection area, but it is sweeping below that New York open. Treat it like a scalp. You're right.
I might just add the AJ sales. That bitch looking good.
Because right now, people who bought off this 1 hour engulfing last night is currently at break even. So what are they feeling like? The people who bought AU last night, maybe they took profit already. Maybe they take profit was up here and they still want more. Are they still in the market? That's the question. How do they feel? And then you got buyers down here at 10 a.m. on Monday morning. What you think they thinking? Like, are they getting out of the market right now? Or are they still thinking this we got more room to grow? That's the question. If they feeling the pressure, then they gotta exit those buys by entering in the sell, and that should increase the volume for more sales. So I want to see what this hour gonna do. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. See that little push down? That's people exiting buys. That's what I want to see. Retail traders are getting out of buys, out of low. I want to see another push like that. I know we just opened a new 15-minute candle too. New 5-minute candle. I know that. That big push down. I don't answer unknown calls.
You at the GJ sales? No, huh?
I mean AJ sales.
Yeah, I might get out the GJ sales. That bitch playing too much. But them AJ sales, where is that? That bitch, I might just get out GJ, add the AJ. I was testing them both out, see what they do. But fuck this. GJ playing. I'm gonna hold it for right now, but that bitch is playing.
That's Oanda car. Nah, for real. That bitch said unknown like a. They ain't answering that shit, man. Get off me.
You know about nuts.
Get off my nuts, man. Get off my nuts, man. I'm just trying to make money here.
You feel me? Fuck. Where you stay at, boo? In Texas, huh?
Yeah, Addison. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's technically Dallas, but I tell
I was about
everybody
to say that's about Dallas.
because that bit's like so close to Addison, and it's a way cooler city than Dallas. So I just say Addison.
Uh,
It's a certain
yeah,
when you say Addison. You say Addison, like everybody like, oh shit.
yeah. Boy, that bitch looking juicy though. You see that bitch? That bitch dropping, huh?
Uh-huh. Question is,
Yeah,
how
that's the validation area right there though. I'm gonna see if it closed within there on the
yeah,
hours.
dollar to be pushing, man. That's the AU was selling off because of that news, but the dollar not pushing as much as I want. That dollar should be above this structure. I don't like when dollar's still sitting in a range, but we getting all this selling on AU. That let me know that this shit is short lived.
Well, I mean, yeah, probably so. It's probably gonna go right there.
The currency than dollar. So
You
dollar,
know,
all dollar got to do is look left, and AU will be scared. So a
yeah,
dollar.
just go peep them currency heat wave charts and shit too.
Mhm.
I know Sway got that's the only thing about Sway. Sway actually I tell you the heat wave too.
Yeah. And he wave.
Yeah, this shit cheap. It's like $20 though. If you get the app, probably one time payment. You just got
Right.
especially if you're on Oanda. You need that type of shit. You always gonna know where the big trends at.
FX book too.
Huh?
I said they got something similar to that on my FX book.
Yeah, well, whatever clever shit.
To the
Get that bitch free. Fuck it.
yeah, that's your free 99.
Yeah. Yeah, you look on that shit every time you making trades and shit. Go find out what's the strongest shit, what's the weakest shit. That's how I found out about AJ. I just said, oh, this shit A strong. I mean J strong and AU weak. I might just go fuck. See if what the I know this trend look fire. I went look, trend look fire as a motherfucker. You hear? I said, boy, I'm about to go get in there. You know what I'm saying? And that's all you have to do. Well, me, because I like trends. So that's all I have to do is go find what's the weakest pair, what's the strongest pair. All right, let's go get in. Let's find a position. We already know what's about to happen. I just looked at the heat wave chart. We already know what's about to happen. So that bitch might not go at this moment, but overall, this has been a stronger pair. Let's go with it. Let's see what happens. You know, because I'm looking for trends. Trends. The trend is your friend. If you know when to get in.
The news came out weak as hell. It was a consensus of it for to go higher, but it dropped below the previous month's numbers. So
That shit made the indices drop a lot though, but the bitches recovered just as fast.
I didn't expect the numbers should be positive and bullish for the USD, but we saw a lower number and we see the DXY is increasing. Now, you got to take that shit with a grain of salt with these news releases because
Yeah,
just
because see, like I told you, you remember what I told you?
negative,
Why Nasdaq? Go
okay,
look at Nasdaq right quick.
doesn't mean the dollar is going to, shoot through the roof. Like, it takes time. Sometimes the news got to get settled in and get priced in. And of course, they got to fudge the numbers, correct the numbers, reprint the numbers later on in the week, all kind of dumbass shit they be doing. I'll be
You can
catching.
hear me?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, all right. I was about to say, when you get a chance, go peep on Nasdaq. I'm about to show you what the news did, and it's gonna do exactly what I told you. It did. It do to them indices.
Honey,
Exactly what I told you it do.
that bill drop.
That bitch. Well, at first, that bitch dropped during the news, and then it went right. Look how far it dropped, and then it went all the way back to the motherfucking. You could have still broke out even if you felt like it was gonna continue to drop, or you could have took profits because the bitch went back to the top. You see that?
Yeah.
That bitch went from the bottom and spun all the way back to the top. Now it's dropping again. But just like I told you, that news, sometimes that shit, or just drop that shit just to knock niggas out. As long as you got your shit pulled back far enough, you know what I'm saying? You good. That bitch went down, knocked niggas out,
I was on that cracker
all the way back to the top.
I did not trade. I didn't trade no indices. I think the most thing, the only thing I primarily traded on when I was on the crack accounts was AU and crypto. I didn't even try NAS. I didn't understand that shit.
That bitch was a trender. It's different now though, bro. This shit is a whole different main game. Since 2020, they said that a lot of retail traders got in the market. So like we changed the game. This shit don't even move the same, bro.
I already know. They had to manipulate it because that's like I said, when all the retail traders came in, that's free money to them. That's liquidity. So
bro, easy money, bro. That shit was so easy in 2020, 2021.
Weird ass shit. We're gonna let these niggas get them hefty accounts, get their eyes and they greed level high as hell. So once they get to them big ass accounts and start having heavy size, now we about to have a year of like we seeing this year with all these crazy ass ranging and sidewinding ass markets and shit. And motherfuckers, getting their ass whooped. And it's not even a bear market. It's still a bullish market.
Yeah, but they range it. They range way more than they used to.
Right. But it's still ranging in a bullish trend, you know.
Yeah, and the ranges be deeper pullbacks too, because and that's what I was saying about, like, because the shit's so high, they could pull that bitch back as far down as they want. Fuck, as they need to get enough motherfuckers out and push that bitch right back up.
Mm-hmm.
That bitch, that ranging, bro. That ranging ain't no hoe, bro. Especially when your range is like
liquidity
300-400 points.
It's gonna be S&P. That's gonna be the big liquidity graph for them.
Yeah.
Whenever they figure out what they gonna do and when they gonna do it and how they gonna do it, they got so much, like, all these pullbacks are stop losses. This is all stop losses. That's like probably like billions and billions of dollars of stop losses just sitting in the market.
Come on.
But if they make the market drop, that's gonna make them that much more richer. They could funnel that money, especially like the Fed. They could funnel that money and give it back in the form of stimulus payments. So they gonna take it from you and give it back to you in the form of stimulus payments.
That's funny. I take it too.
Now, how many people gonna take that money and throw it right back in the market though? That's the question.
Me? What you talking about?
Yeah, but niggas that's up $250,000, shit, boy, they gonna take that money. They gonna have to sell it. They gonna sell a house. They gonna divorce their wife. They gonna move to Florida. Like
With a stimulus check?
No, I'm just saying, if the market crash on somebody and you lose like 80% of your wealth because all your money was in the stock market, like that's what make people go crazy. Like they sell a house, they Corvette, they get a divorce, like marriage get fucked up, like everything happened.
Nah, I feel you. I definitely feel you, bro. Because that's,
I mean,
like,
we experienced that because we're not heavily invested like that, but certain people are, and yeah, they lose their shit. They lose their shit when that shit happens. So the niggas be jumping out of windows.
Oh yeah, we getting them AJ pushes. Let's go.
Pushing down.
Let's get the claps.
I know AJ pushing down. If AU pushing down, AJ pushing down.
What AU look like? That bitch still gone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that bitch done made it to the consolidation. Oh, all right. I'm about to say, why my alert didn't hit? That bitch just hit. My alert just hit on that bitch. So it's a good time for me to enter.
That's liquidation. Niggas getting out of their buys. That's why it's market selling off. Everybody getting out of their buys because they know the stop loss is right here. They be like, fuck it. Hopefully the bears are still strong. We can push it. Shit, I don't want to push it too far because I don't want that bitch. Because then if that bitch push all the way down to 64.60 and start rejecting, I'm gonna get out of sales and hop into buys right there.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this.
Oh, it's
This
looking
30-minute to close.
It's
I'm gonna
1
see
hour
how this 30-minute close. That's a huge fucking sale, though. God
right
damn.
now. AU don't normally do sales like this.
See how I broke through that though? That's what I'm saying, bro.
I know.
And imagine if you would have been waiting like me, you'll be getting a shitty ass entry. You
I
see what I'm saying?
I was in buys. I flipped on them, but I'm about to hop back in. Well, because this 1 hour look weird. I'm gonna keep it real. This
Yeah,
one,
that's why I'm waiting for this 30-minute to close. I'm gonna see what it do. I might leave that profit on the table for y'all to just hold GJ. I'm already in GJ and AJ, so I'm kind of comfortable over here right now. I might just add over there for play it safe.
I would think AJ. Ultimately, I'm trying to take AJ to let me see. I'll pull up the daily on that bitch. I'm trying to take AJ ultimately to like 95.40. 95.40. If it continues through that, I'll hold a little piece of that trade, but I'm gonna take off at least half or 75% at 95.40 if we could get there. Get all the way down there. That'll be sweet. Probably be tomorrow or Thursday if we continue with sales. I'm still selling off. Let's see what that 5-minute do after this 30-minute close. Yeah, we're gonna break through this whole level on this 1 5-minute, or we gonna reject it and come up here to this wick. We got 25 seconds left. Ooh, that bitch tanking, bitch. God damn. All right, how much you gonna pull back? Nah, you could pull, I don't care. You could pull back all the way to 64, 68. Bitch, as long as you don't close up there.
Yeah, see, I'm waiting on this pullback. Let me know when it look like it's finished pulling back, because I'm looking at other stuff too. Shit, trying to see some shit.
What you talking about, AU or AJ?
AU, that bitch look like it's done already, huh? Look, stupid ass.
I'm gonna say like this. I'm gonna tell you right
Let me
now,
know when they get back in that range, though.
that bitch is scaring people in buys. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's about to hit nigga stop loss. Everybody got stop losses on the hour, at least at 64.55. At least down there. So they trying to run something, but I just don't know if they're gonna do it on this hour though. That's the thing. So they gotta pull back. They gotta pull back. And I think that's what we're doing right now. That's what we're doing right now. And now we coming to London close. So London is taking their positions off or they letting it ride. Like I said, remember London swept the high of Asia session. So they in sales, New York in sales, adding to that pressure with that news. Let's see how far we go. If we close up here, I ain't getting out. It is a crazy pullback off these hills. AU is pulling back. AU is pulling back. Now what it's probably about to do is piss everybody off that got out of buys. Whoever was in buys down here, if they were still holding, they got out.
That's not a big pullback. Nigga just ended a little late. This was the pullback I needed. Fuck. That's what I was saying. Like, so now nigga looking at, see what I'm saying? Look, nigga looking to see if it could break back above that green candle, that green doji over there, that wick. If it could break above there, it'll be a little scary. The next one, it'll be even scarier, but it shouldn't break above none of those too much. If it do though, see that consolidation right there to the left, it really shouldn't pull back. Yeah, it shouldn't pull. It shouldn't even go into there for real. It shouldn't even get past that. Those three bottoms. See how that bitch triple bottom at that? The triple bottom to the left.
That's where it need to stay below.
It need to just go ahead on and reject that, and go ahead on and keep dropping. It shouldn't go into that.
Ooh, Dolphin with the last push. Oh, let's take off half.
Looked like a bunch of sell fake offs just happened because everything started pushing up again. Damn. These some nasty pullbacks.
We don't reject this.
Yeah, these some nasty ass pullbacks. But ugly ass pullbacks, bro. Like, I hate when shit make lower lows and then come pull all the way back. Like, damn, bitch, what the fuck? That type of shit make me nervous, nigga. What you do that for?
Yeah.
Like, you see that? Look at that fucking wick. What the fuck? Why you do that?
That's why I said that 1 hour was looking a little weird. That's why I said I'm watching it. I'm watching it. That bitch. I'm looking at the 5 minute how you was talking about these wicks right here. If it don't reject these wicks, if that motherfucker club above here like this, I'm about to hop in the buys.
Yeah, this shit definitely looking
I
scary.
wanted buys here. I'm gonna keep it real. I wanted buys here, but if I could get in the buys down here, that means I got a better price than up here. That's all that's saying. The way it's pushing up. Let's see though. It's a lot of rejection right here. That was a big sell-off, but
Yeah, we just gotta wait it out. I think we gotta wait this 15, and if it's looking
pull
okay, wait another 15.
back
You know,
right
see what 10 o'clock.
though. That's the only thing that's kind of like
I
irking me.
think 10 o'clock gonna bring us that continuation. To be honest,
You about to see.
it's just a pullback, just a correction, and then it's gonna continue.
That's all I was saying. I was going back to that dollar. Like the dollar didn't even barely like broke structure really. Yeah, that bitch broke it by the wick. Like the dollar wasn't even pushing like that. How everything was selling off, the dollar should have been up here some fucking well. Barely broke above.
Yeah, you see where it stopped at, huh?
Yeah,
Where
it barely broke
to
above.
the
You couldn't even take
to the go even further back
huh?
to the left, to the left, right there. Go down. See where it stopped at?
Yeah.
Right there. You see those fucking that consolidation right there? That's a demand zone. Yeah. It can't break through that fucking resistance. There's a resistance right there. So you just gotta peep that out. That those consolidation areas is what I be talking about. That should just be so nice, and that should be so clean. It'll tell you everything that's going on. Start peeping that shit. Cause this shit really a language. You feel me? And I study languages. Like I'm learning Spanish right now, dead ass. Like everything is languages. You know what I'm saying? You gotta learn the language of this shit in order to speak it. And I realized, well, even with Spanish, it's hard to learn even if I do one lesson a day. Like I'm not learning enough. Like I'm not putting enough focus on it. But if you do like 3, 4 lessons, 5 lessons a day, you really start to retain that shit. So it's like, you know, I know I went into language, but that shit is literally like this. You gotta learn the language. You know what I'm saying? The more you study the language, you know, the more you talk to people that know the language a little bit better than you, the more, you know, you're gonna grow with this shit. And speak with people that's on your level as well, you know, because, you know, you can see where you could grow, where you could teach them shit, and where you could grow as well. So just learn the language. It's just, you know, but just like a language, though. That's how I look at this shit like a language, bro. You gotta speak that shit. And if the market not talking to you, don't fuck with it. Yeah, see, that's why I don't fuck with the AU. It'll be too much leverage on my ass.
Can we do? Can we do? Yeah, 20 minutes left.
Honestly, the way I'm looking at, well, I'm on AG and shit, but the way this shit looking, GJ and shit, man, them drops is way stronger than them fucking them buys. You might have to just wait a little bit through them little consolidated ass buys and watch it. Look how strong them fucking sales is. The market's been wanting to sell off for the longest, bro. Cause every time them fucking sales be way stronger than them fucking buys, bro. The market wants to sell off so bad.
Yeah.
Like all over the board, bro. Because when you really look at it, them sales always stronger than them buys. Always.
Them bitches
Yep.
come quick and strong as a motherfucker.
Oof.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oof.
You see what I'm saying? It didn't break what? It didn't break that green wick that I
Nope.
was telling you about. That bitch didn't break that. And what it's gonna do? If it can't break that last structure, it's gonna continue. It's making a range now. You see what I'm saying? It's creating a new range. That's if it don't break it. But it's still creating that range right now. So you seeing where the next structure is that it shouldn't go above. It should go back above that green. If this shit closed like this, we shouldn't get a push above that green candle. Or like you said, you should be looking to turn that shit around because it shouldn't be going that way. We showing that right now. We seeing it live. Markets don't want to go that way. It wants to go down. That shit gonna hit that yellow bar before you know it. What that is, the 4 hour. That bitch will hit that bitch by this week, next week. That shit going down there, bro. Mark my words. I'm looking at it. That shit did that fake ass flag pattern to the upside. That bitch was choppy as fuck. Look how choppy that upside is when it was trying to go up. And look when it started selling. No choppiness. All the way to the bottom. Went right back up. It went up strong, but then it went down just as strong.
It's choppy going up and
That
selling
shit
off.
choppy as fuck, bro.
5
No
candles
strength.
to
No
eat up
strength.
what 20 candles did.
No strength at all, bro. And that bitch shot down. Then what it did again. Choppiness all the way back up. It chopped its way back up. Green, red, green, green. Then what? Red, red. But look at them red candles. Red, 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 red. That's like 7 reds in a fucking row. You see what I'm saying, though?
I see it.
So that's like if you could draw a trend line from the top on that choppiness. When one of my teachers taught me is where if you could draw a trend from like even on that long term trend on GJ, when you could do shit like that, that's usually a choppy ass like buy. See what I'm saying? Because that bitch, even on that week chart, and then look what it did when it broke that week
That bitch
chart. That
pushing.
shit.
That bitch pushing.
Oh, that's that AU. That bitch started pushing. That bitch, see, it didn't close down there.
That's why I
That
said
bitch
I
didn't
had this
close.
right here. I took the range of this sell off and this quick rejection back up. I took the range of that and I said I want to see the 50% level of this, which is this little green line. I said I don't want it to close below that. And it wicked right down the middle of this area and pushed right back up. Now it's rejecting that wick.
But look at that bitch rejecting.
Right now.
Hopefully we get some rejected. I need this shit to sell because fuck, my shit started turning around on the other end. and the GJ and fucking AJ sales. All that shit trying to be bullish now. I need the markets to figure it the fuck out.
That's what I'm saying. I remember I was saying when we were selling off, I was like, hold up. Like I wanted to sell off, but I know AU don't really do no shit like this. And this is news. So I'm looking at it like, hold up, was that sell off just to entice all those buyers to get out of that trade so they could grab liquidity? Because that's
But
what it's
they'll do some shit
like.
like
They
that.
push back high, this might shoot up.
They'll do some shit like that. Had niggas mad as hell. But
No,
I mean, honestly, just look at the overall trend, bro. Until further notice. Fuck it. That's the way I look at it. That bitch can do all this manipulated shit all they want. Cause all that's gonna do is get you in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. What that do is weigh you down, weigh you down, weigh you down. You getting weighed down.
perishing
And
go.
so by time
That's why I
that
said I'm
bitch
still looking.
choose the real direction, you be weighed out. You don't even want to get in the bitch no more. You done lost so much money trying to find which way the trend going. You just when you should have just waited on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? And just let it show you what it's gonna do.
Yeah.
Time gonna only tell. You got to be real patient with this shit.
I ain't gonna lie. Ultimately, I'm looking for sales, but I want the market to pull back all the way back up here, like
Yeah,
65, 65 flat, 65, 10 plus. I want sales up there. Oh, that bitch dropping again.
you see that consolidation right
Yeah,
there,
it's right.
bro.
It's about the range. It's
That
about
shit is gonna either break through that or reject it.
it's
I don't
about
think it's gonna range too much, bro. That bitch about to break through that shit or reject it. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna take this 4-hour candle to close. I think by 12 o'clock, you're gonna know exactly which way that bitch going. Mark my words. Mark my words. Bro. I'm calling this.
By the
12
close of
o'clock,
this
you're
candle,
gonna
we
know
about to know.
exactly which way that bitch going. But
Yeah, 10 a.m. we
see,
about to know.
the thing about it is, if you're trying to trade it right now while it's ranging, you're gonna be getting in and out, in and out, in and out, losing so much money
Right.
that by the time it really picked the direction, by 12, you're
You
gonna
gonna
be
be
like,
pissed off because you
man,
was already in the direction.
yeah, you're gonna be tired. You ain't gonna be wanting to get in. You're gonna get in late because you're gonna be like, man, I don't even want to get in. Now it's gone. Now it's gone. All right, I guess I'm gonna get in. Stupid ass nigga, that missed the whole book.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, son, I did this shit so many times. Look if you would have got out and got in the buy. Look, that shit going right back down, bro. And it might go right back up.
That's why I said it'll break above. I saw that bitch stop right there. That bitch ain't even want to close above
It
that.
didn't close above it. It couldn't close above it. That's a bearish sign. That's a
You
bearish
gotta
sign.
play
And
the
look what it did.
range until the breakout confirmed.
It's going right. It's going to range until it confirmed. And you gotta know how to play them ranges. You gotta wait. You gotta learn how to wait. You picked the direction. Wait. But if your direction wrong, you wrong. Get back in, like you said, turn that bitch around. But you be wrong first. Be
And
wrong first.
sometimes the
Don't
best trade is no trade at all.
you feel me?
I ain't trading shit.
Yeah,
Ain't
I
no
ain't fuck
real
with it.
setups in this
Fuck
shit.
with that one.
Oh, 69.
I think I was in an AU buy or something overnight, but ain't nothing going on. I don't really see nothing. I ain't. Yeah.
Shit, no.
How that news did?
Well, that's what we talking about right now. It's sold off, but it's looking like it's starting to push back up. Like that sell off was just news induced, just to get the buyers out from last night. People who bought last night at 9 o'clock.
Oh well, fuck. I guess I'm out.
You probably
I ain't
not
even
out
check.
because it came to break even for those buys. If you bought last night, people's back at break even. So
I bought yesterday. Actually, I bought yesterday. Let me see.
Son, this is crazy. I don't know. I'm fucking with this
Oh no,
nigga.
I'm up 4 pips.
So,
Let me see.
That bitch playing. That nigga, bro. I wish I could see it like it. It be making it seem like it's like them niggas got a buy and a sell button, but it's like red and it's like preschool buttons, and them bitches make sounds, and they just be hitting that bitch like, watch these niggas about to buy right here, hit the sell button. They just be laughing like, oh, them niggas got stopped out.
nigga said they just be laughing.
Nah, for real. Like that's the real market makers. Like them niggas got played.
Wait, you can hear me?
Look at that bitch pushing up. You bitch.
Oh damn.
You bitch. I
Oh
knew that 1 hour
shit.
was looking ugly as fuck. I'm in buys, man. Fuck it. Fuck you.
yeah, I'm in buys too. I missed the move overnight. I ain't have no take profit. Stupid ass.
I'm in buys. Fuck it.
Yeah, I missed 29 pips. I'm long at
I'm in
64,
buys. Fuck it.
64, 66.
You slut.
Yeah, I'm long at 64, 66. I mean,
How much we
That
going?
was
yeah.
very brutal.
If that bitch pull back all the way up here, I'm gonna laugh.
This shit was very brutal.
Slut.
I should have just did my AJ GJ and shit.
What UJ looking like?
That fast, bro.
Oh, that
That
bitch
is
about to give us
crazy.
UJ might be some good buys after this 1 hour close.
This
UJ,
bitch to push like this.
AJ,
Crazy.
EJ, rejected, boy.
Yeah, that sell off was just for buy positions. Look like
Mm.
I just went long on UJ.
Yeah, I was looking at that too. I'm waiting on
That's
that.
taking it. That's a fucking 7 bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottom. I mean, they ain't in the exact same spot, but that's a perfect swing, parabolic swing right there. And then it's oversold on the 15 minute. So
Yeah, I got out of AJ sales. Let's see what this hour close like, because it looks like it might be engulfed.
Yeah, that stupid ass GJ blew it. That bitch moved up. Buku pips on my stupid ass. AJ didn't move up that much. I'm still in both of them though. I'm gonna hold it for like see what happened at 10 o'clock.
Got out, slut. Yeah, nigga, I'm on that bitch. Ain't throwing me off, Jay. I'm on the rodeo. I'm still on that bitch though. AU is my slut today.
That bitch stupid.
This live is not intended for the weak-hearted and sensitive ass motherfuckers. Five more minutes for this hour to close. What we about to do?
Nothing. Wait. Be patient.
Be patient. La-di-da-di-da. Blah, blah-di-di-da. 3 more minutes left. What you about to do, bitch? That nigga threw off that damn bull, boy. When was the last time he rode that bitch? Come on, hey, you. What are you doing? Are you pushing to new heights? I'll take it. Really fucking nice. We about to range like a motherfucker. Remember I called this level. It barely touched that bitch, but watch is gonna range. I'm just gonna pull back. It's all about to close. But if it don't, we about to get a fire ass bullish 1 hour engulfing. I can feel it. I can feel it in the bones. 1 more minute left. Oh man, that bitch still pushing. 5 seconds left. This is the close. At 12. At 12 on 10 to 12. Alright, 11. Hourly has closed. Now what we want. If volume is heavy for these sales, the market will continue to sell off for AU. If not, we're gonna buy up, create us a bullish engulfing off of this rejection, and you high. All stemming off the dollar and how hard we either sell off. So the dollar rejected this high. So if the dollar sells off, it continues on to clean this traffic up, then we should see bullishness in the AU. And yeah. If not, we will be ranging. Bullish engulfing 1 hour on the AJ, EJ, GJ, and UJ. Damn, UJ pushing like a bitch. Damn. Oh man. Already pushed up. Yeah, damn. Anybody in any of them Jappy pairs? Or you got out? You still in? Or you flip?
Huh?
I was saying anybody was in them Jappy pairs, AJ, EJ.
Oh, nah, I ain't been looking at them. It look good though. Well, I mean UJ, yeah. Dollar trying to bounce back, huh?
Yeah, I got out that shit. That dumb ass GG blew it. Stupid ass. I would have been able to hold my AJ if it wasn't for the GG tanking so fucking hard.
Probably about to get out of these buys on AJ. AU, I mean.
Damn, that UJ fucking buy just shot up like a motherfucker. Just quick. I just got in it.
Right.
I'm up 25 pips. Shit. Ain't even been 25 minutes.
Nah, that UJ gonna run, boy.
Shit, it's been a while. That bitch ain't running 2 weeks. It really didn't. Yeah, look at that week before last candle. Them shits was like the last week ran, but the week before that, and that. Yeah, that whole month of October and most of half of November. That shit was ass for UJ. But you know, this is all that election shit. Shit gonna be choppy. I'm really chilling out to the new year for real. I ain't forcing nothing. I got burnt and chopped too much. I might have to add that shit back to my resume.
What you talking about?
Trading the range. Cause I lost a lot of money not trading it. It was last month or two. Not a lot of money, but most of my losses came from range and markets. Playing the trend in the range.
Yeah, I got out of AU buys.
I guess I'm about to get out that bit too. Yeah, I'm up profit though. I got turning around.
See what I'm saying? Them bitches gonna go up and down until shit. They gonna play them Rangers. Till
Yeah,
that
that's
shit
what I
ready to
said. You
break
gotta
out.
play the range. The range, the breakout, pretty much look at it like that shit only happened one time. You know, and then it's gonna go in the range, stay in that bitch, break out one time, and then it's gonna go in the range. That's how that shit goes. So if you don't catch the breakout, you essentially you gotta play the range or wait for the breakout, like with stop orders. That's what I'm doing on NAS. I got stop orders above and below. So that's called straddle trading. When you're not really trying to predict direction, you just put the positions in above price and below price. Below basically the range, above the range, below the range. and you just let that. I put like 4 positions, 20 units a piece. You know, every 20 I'm putting 1% stop, 3% take. That's how we doing it. So long as price keep coming in that direction, I'm gonna keep adding on automatically because it's already set. So I just learned that. That's called straddle trade. I didn't even know what that was.
Straddle.
Right? Yeah, straddle. STRADDLE. Look that shit up.
No, I heard of that before. That's
Yeah.
let's talk about that shit in options.
Right. Sure was.
Trade strategy.
Yeah, you just putting stop orders above price and below price. Buy stops above, sell stops below. And you put like multiple of them. So, you know, like, let me see. Yeah, I could put sales below that. What's that, 64.40? That swing low?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I put sales like 20 pips below that at 64.20, a order, sell order. And I'll put one at 6400, and I'll put one at 63.80, then 63.60, you see? And you set your stop losses though in all of them, and you take profits. As long as market keep going down, I'm gonna be getting paid, and them orders gonna be getting triggered. And that's that. You just gotta wait for the reverse. That's why you put your stops in. But yeah, they say it's a good way because I didn't even know what it was called. I put in the orders and I uploaded. I copied the screenshot, sent it to the chat GPT, and I said, "What do you call this strategy?" And it was like, "That's called straddle trade." And, mm-hmm. And
That shit smart as fuck, boy.
yeah, I got like 3 wins on sports betting with it yesterday. They definitely
You picked out your parlay?
2-leg, yeah. I got it. It picked out a couple. It picked 3 2-leg parlays, right? And the ones that was wrong was barely wrong. Shit, the ones that was right was barely right too, though. Cause that's just how it be. So that let me know, yeah, nigga, this shit random as fuck. Cause even AI can't predict this shit with 100% accuracy. So just imagine you trying. That's why I'm like, I do better just relying on AI. You know what I'm saying? For sports betting at least. Cause I'm gonna come with some emotional shit. You
Right.
ain't coming with no emotion. Yeah, so it's working out okay. I mean, I tell you one thing, that trade, them 2 bets, it paid for itself. So ChatGPT can easily pay for itself. I tell you that. Um, it is better with making indicators and shit, but I'm over indicators and shit. It's like, fuck you trying to see. It get to a point where it's like, because the indicators is trying to stop you from doing something that you do manually. That's basically all that shit is. And I'm like, nah, I don't need that. But I will share this. They do got some good indicators on TradingView. That like ones that's user made. Those shits are different. Like they got one called they got an order block indicator, and that bitch really, yeah, like sales and buys is really coming in. You know how we draw them? They got an indicator, a couple of them
Yeah, I seen them.
that actually, and yes, bro, like US 30 was reacting to that shit 100% yesterday. They had big buy orders and sell orders. Yeah. So them order blocks is definitely active. People trading them shits for sure. The fact that AI could, I mean that, yeah, AI could pick them up or tech whatever code that you could actually is actually objective. So that means that, yeah, the banks definitely using that shit. Yeah. Yeah, with trading, it's more like, suggestions, and it'll read the chart for you and tell you key areas. It ain't gonna really tell you much that you don't know. We know trading a lot, so you gotta be real specific. Yeah, it looked like buys after the sell off. It was the play. I went short on euro too. Euro dollar. That's playing out.
Dollar.
Shout out to my son. It's that boy's birthday. I got a whole 14-year-old, my junior.
Damn, shout out, man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Donnell Jr. And my little quarterback. That boy killing out there up in Houston.
Yeah.
Yeah, he doing his thing. I told you, got a little football camp out there in Dallas in January. I want to come because I paid for this shit. That's my nigga, though. My nigga fly and all A's.
Nah, that's what's up.
Mm-hmm. And star football player. And boy, I love his daddy, too. He said, like, money was tight or something. He needed some money for something. He's like, I got you when I get in the lead, Dad. I'm like, nigga never heard that before.
Nah, for real.
I'm like, for real?
That's fire, though.
Okay. Stupid ass. Hopefully you make it. I'm gonna be in the stand. Stupid ass. No, I gotta get my nigga in a good school for real though.
Nigga, I'm about to put that bitch on Bitcoin buys. I'm going long on crypto.
What happened?
Nah, you can tell his son, all I need is 100,000, son. I'm about to go long on crypto. I'm gonna make more money than you make in NFL. Watch.
Nah, I just put him on crypto. He didn't even know what it was. So the youngsters don't even know what it is. So that tell you how far Bitcoin then came. It's not there yet. That's why it's not $1 million yet. Because the younger generation, a lot of women don't even know what it is still. It's still a very small niche group of the population. When Nipsey Hussle now was around, he said it was about 5% penetration.
Right.
That was fucking how long? Shit, he been dead a few years now, but still. It's definitely about 10x since he died. 10x. Definitely around 10, 20,000. What is looking like Bitcoin? Let me see.
Bitcoin, I think at 95. Let's see.
Everything red, boy.
Yeah, Bitcoin just had a bullish engulfing on a 4 hour in the range though. So
It's in that order block too. That's a real order block, I could tell. Yeah, they about to buy back up. It rejected the bottom of that order block, so I mean, big money was in, smart money in there too. That smart money pushed it down to get that. Well, I don't know. This shit coming out. Yeah, Bitcoin about to go back now. When they do this, after they make them highs and they keep them swing lows, keep getting higher.
President declared martial law.
Who? South Korea?
Yes. President declared martial law.
Oh, see, that's that war shit. When war go down, currencies drop.
Contributing to the price of Bitcoin against the yuan, dropping roughly 30% in the local exchange. Up bit.
Yeah, Bitcoin dropped 30. Yeah, that's because of their country.
It
So
said
it dropped.
he
Wait,
was declaring martial law in response to threats posed by North Korea's communist forces and to eliminate anti-state elements.
yeah, them niggas always fucking going to war. They right next door to each other in the same country.
And
Shit.
why they can't take notes from South Dakota and North Dakota?
Nah, they going against Kim Jong-un and shit, and they with America, so
It's
America protect them.
stupid.
Hmm.
Kim Jong-un.
Nigga got the dumbest name ever. Last name? How your last name be? It's like what?
But a lot of this should be strong,
Now I
powerful.
know
Especially how they say that. Well, especially with who that I said Hong. I think it's Hong Kong. Got like that. They got the heart. I think they got like the heart. No, is it Hong Kong or Japan? Got like the hardest fucking accent. Like they talk. Yeah, they talk with fierce. Like they like real. Like they passionate.
Yeah,
Like,
it's tonal. That's why
mhm.
tonal language. Keisha,
Hell yeah.
it sound like
Come on, AU. That bitch.
anime characters charging up on y'all.
We are gone. Gone, gone, gone. We're still pushing higher. That must mean the dollar is starting to drop. It's pulling back. It ain't dropping yet, but it is pulling back from them highs. So we had 2 rejections off the wick. Let's see how far we drop. Let's see how far we go up.
School Nasdaq printed a buy signal on the well, no, it's not closed yet. On the hour, after it closed, it's looking like it's gonna come out of that little range. I'm not fucking with it to go all the way to 21,260 or 21.
What you looking at?
80. Nostradamus 100.
Nas about to finish golfing on the 4 hour and an hour and a half. Nas pushing, boy. Who is
A bullish in golfing.
nigga during London session? Oh my god.
You should. Oh, I'm tripping.
Monday morning. Yesterday morning. Damn.
Yeah, that was the play I missed out on fucking with US 30.
US 30. Yeah,
US 30 chopped the fuck out of me.
that was. That bitch was chopper style.
Man, I had to call that boy. Like, bro, you know about this?
Nah.
Might want to get the copyright infringement or something. Shit.
That nigga said copyright infringement. My man said chopper style, chopper style.
Man.
Man. Damn. Yeah, that bitch was chop, but Nas is nice.
And so that's why I stayed in the box, because I'm like, well, Nas running up. This bitch should be about to catch up, huh? Fuck no. So now I know for sure. Them bitches do not correlate. They don't. They just don't.
I mean, they run out the stock market though, right? Primarily.
Huh?
Those Nas.
Nah, they totally different stocks though.
I'm just
Nas
saying,
is just tech.
they all are a combination of stocks, so it's based off those stocks.
Right, but they different industries though, so it's based off how the industry is performing.
Right.
You know, like Nas is the Magnificent Seven, and tech. You know.
And what's US 30 again?
Financial. That's the banks and shit. So when the T bonds and shit go down, or I guess that got something to do, when financial shit and policies and all that shit is not looking good, interest and all that, that's when the Dow be dropping. But NAS is gonna be just based off Amazon and Tesla, Tesla and Nvidia and Facebook, Meta.
So NAS
So
S&P.
yeah, I definitely read the NAS all day because I know more about the companies in it. You know, me personally, that's what I realized yesterday. I said, you know what, US 30 be having money, but I I can't fuck with this. You know, I know how NAS move. It dip and then it bounce right back up. Like, or if it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop. It don't do that chop shit.
Right.
Not like that. It don't really range too much. Even the range be like, you know, trending. Looking at it now, but yeah, this bitch don't range at all. You can't. You barely could put a horizontal line. I saw two ranges. Yeah, you barely could put a horizontal line on that. But that's pretty much what I'm about to be playing. I'm waiting for those big, like yesterday. I missed it. I did miss it, but that's the moves and shit I'm looking for because I mean you can make your week pay, bro, in one day. Fucking with Nas. Everything else is just practice for
Trust me.
real. Huh?
I said I heard.
Yeah. And I mean with the minis, man, anybody could get in there. It's not dangerous because you still could you could get 10 cents per dollar. So like that ain't nothing.
Right.
You know, $100 move, you only, win or lose $10. So and move about 400. So that mean a maximum about $40. One the smallest unit, so win loss 40, probably maximum. That's not bad. And the fee gonna be cheap as hell, probably like 7 cents. Yeah, I'm about to hop up off here though. Gotta go wash clothes and shit.
That's a bit. Yeah, we're gonna wrap this bitch up at 11. 5:05.
And that bitch I went just know she chose me. He only got 12, so I'm about to sell him gelato. Sick man. Go check out that boy JP. This nigga, I ain't gonna lie, man. He remind me of me.
JP?
Yeah.
Way on YouTube and shit?
Yeah, he on YouTube.
You
That's
got
that song I put that Sky Jackson song in. He got the city lit right now. This little nigga, he fucking with them free water niggas. This nigga got the city lit right now, son. He getting all the engagement and like
send me
he
send me a YouTube link like directly to me.
all right. But yeah, like they doing what we was doing, except these dudes got that video game popping, and they
That's the only thing we ain't have, but
yeah.
we ain't shoot no videos, never.
Well, because niggas wasn't shooting videos then. YouTube had just started really, you know.
We missed that wave.
Yeah, we missed that way.
It was like we was on the wave of niggas damn near starting to figure out like I could probably do this shit independent. Like
Right.
like,
Yeah, niggas was still looking for
like,
record deals only.
been perfect.
Yeah, nobody wasn't even trying to put out nothing independent. Niggas would put out one song and just try to get signed.
That was like the dying age of niggas still sending demos to labels. Like
Yep. We knew that shit was over. We already knew it. We was like, even CDs and shit. We was like, this shit. Remember, we was about to print shit on thumb drives and, was talking marketing. It was like, man, we put this shit on a thumb drive and package it up and,
mail that shit out to DJs.
Mm-hmm.
But now you could just DM and email that shit to them.
Yeah, these videos cold as fuck though. Like how, like the cameras nowadays, nigga. These cameras look better than real life. They really do, bro. Like
effects.
shit different.
I done seen niggas do crazy shit with an iPhone camera after you put the effects on them.
Yeah. Yeah, just the whole tech, and you know, even watch with AI. Like niggas probably could, nigga.
AI go shut the editing game down.
I can't wait.
It's gonna be one click and you gonna have all them effects you want on your
video. You can have a little theme. Have a whole little theme. But nah, they got shit going up. They got shit going up, man. They having a lot of fun. Like that's it. That's what, you know. And he a young nigga. I don't know how old he is, but he a young nigga. They probably got about 20, 30 niggas with him, but it make it seem like it, you know, when you on stage with 20 niggas, nigga, that make it seem like you the most lit nigga in it. You know.
Facts. That shit ain't never died down. Like it's very rare that you'll find an artist that'll blow up to any type of certain status when all he ever did was be himself, like or present himself. Like he didn't come with no cliques, no partners, and nothing. It was just him.
Yeah. What you had said would never stop.
The fact that people go, you know, utilize a large group to make them, you know, to give.
You can hear me?
Yeah. You can't hear me? You can't hear me? Oh, that nigga dropped off. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just shows. I just like to see. It just showed the power of what you can do with fate and consistency, man. Like determination, should I say, and consistency. Well, really just
Hey man,
determination. Mm-hmm. Yeah, like you
don't
just.
make me start preaching, brother.
He said, brother.
Yeah, man.
I was just giving a young man a sermon out there in Chicago, boy. You know, when I start talking about this kind of stuff, faith and shit, and how we can manifest anything, boy. Don't stop me.
Mm-hmm. It works too. Like every time I really believed in myself or was determined to get some shit done,
Yeah.
nigga
Ain't got no choice
always
but to
get
work.
results.
Ain't
Yeah.
got no choice. It's the way the world works. It's the way the shit works. Period.
It's
It's
that
working
bully
all the
system.
time. All the time. It's working right now.
Or the collection plate, nigga. Pass.
Shit. The Cash App is
No, nigga
$.
I
said.
ain't got no cash on me. Stupid.
Nigga said send that bitch in crypto. Send me
I'm
to
just like,
crypto.com. Coin.
shit, I can buy my crypto off of Cash App.
How would them people be doing that in church? Like sending their tithes through Cash App?
Nah, God can't get that.
Yeah, God ain't gonna never get it. The pastor go get it. The church go get it, ain't
Cage.
I know they got one hood ass church out here in America that got a Cash App logo that's standing up like the fucking the QRC code that's just in the church. So if you need to send a tithe, just scan the QRC code and send it in.
That man said the QRC. You put all kind of letters in that bit. Just QR.
Just the QR. Damn, I said, well, it is QRC. QRC. Yeah, I said it right, QRC.
Ain't no C.
Nah, that's shuffle code.
Oh, stupid ass.
But I said the code though. I said too much.
Oh, I don't know. Looked like Ripple hit it kind of went to all-time high, made a slightly new one, and then pulled back $2.90.
$2.30. That's the all-time high.
Oh, well, I'm talking on these exchanges now. On TradingView, you ain't gonna see that.
Nah, it's on there. You gotta pull up the weekly and go back.
Nah.
On Ripple, pull up the weekly and go back. You'll see it. $3.38.
Nah, this shit only go to 23.
What?
On TradingView, on Coinbase.
XRP?
Yeah.
Oh, I got Kraken. That's why I got the Kraken charts.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's the price right now on there?
$2.
$2.55.
Uh-huh.
Oh well, the price is same.
Yeah,
Right now.
Kraken. It got a high. What's that? What's that high? Hold up.
Yeah, I saw it was like $3 and something, $3.26 or some shit.
Yeah, $3.49.
Yeah. But shit, Coinbase is what people look at for the broker. They gonna Coinbase, Oanda, and FXTVC. That's the top market makers.
Right.
Yeah, that been going crazy though. On the week chart, that shit look crazy. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see shit till New Year's, bro. Honestly, not because none of these markets ain't really trending. Show me one. That shit ugly as hell. That's an ugly ass chart, boy. That bitch is ugly. Look at that. Like, what is it saying? That bitch don't even look normal.
Buy, sell, buy. That's what it said.
Sell, buy, sell. That bitch so ugly. That bitch look like a kid just scribbly scratch some shit. Kindergarten shit. That should look better. Oh, that's gold. I was gonna ask pull up gold. Yeah, ain't nothing. They had a little sell off. What's this? The 4 hour? Yeah, an hour. A sell off early. That was about it, bro. Ain't nothing in the markets happening. Niggas getting ready for Christmas and all kind of shit.
EJ.
When the wheel won't walk in, you better step aside. Yeah, my play's looking good. Plays looking good. EU sell, UJ buy. Long on the dollar, basically. Oh, school, pull up. Jackson is sending shit to the sky. My stomach talk.
Any earnings this week? Tuesday. When we had the day before open. What the fuck is this? Alphabet, Class C capital stock, Carnival Cruise, Cigna, Stanley Black and Decker.
Wait, when Alphabet Google shit, they did it already?
Yeah, they say before open. Before
shit.
open today.
Look at, well, yeah, what about the afters?
After close, Salesforce, say Marvell.
None of them. What's that, Procter & Gamble? What's that, PST? No.
No, they ain't Procter & Gamble. I don't know what this is.
PG.
Usually be coming up.
Nigga can't trade none of them.
Pure
Kroger.
Storage.
Oh, Dollar General? No, I can't trade.
Marvell Technology. And
I'm looking for
tomorrow,
ones.
Huey. Tomorrow, Dollar Tree, Royal Bank of Canada, Foot Locker, and on the close, Synopsis, Sentinel One, and Charge Point, whatever that is.
Dollar Tree be volatile as hell, apparently.
Yeah.
Like, people like trading it before the open. That's tomorrow. I don't think I could trade that one on the crackers. I'm looking for ones I could trade on the crack account.
Kroger on Thursday, Dollar General, Toronto Dominion Bank, and we got Lululemon, Ulta, DocuSign, GitLab, UPath. These fucking Hewlett Packard Enterprise Company.
Can't trade none of them bitches.
Yeah. See what the markets is looking like today. How is that changing? We have a 1.1 decrease in the total market. We are currently sitting at 3.3 trillion with a Bitcoin dominance of 55% and Ethereum at 12. Ethereum been holding their dominance pretty good, but Bitcoin's been dropping heavily, and I know that's because of altcoin season.
Yeah, most of the altcoins under Ethereum
80% now.
still. Oh, it's 80% now? Yeah.
XRP is still up. Stellar. Damn, somebody took over Stellar. What is this?
Edge bar.
The fuck is Hedra? 17 with a $13 billion market cap. What is Hedra? Hedra is the most used sustainable enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications. It's designed to be a fairer, more efficient system that eliminates some of the limitations that older blockchain-based platforms face, such as slow performance and instability. They ain't doing nothing crazy. I mean, they built up a large fund though. It's 13 billion. Hashgraph, ledger technology loan is Hashgraph. So they got a whole different blockchain. Might be something to keep an eye on. Hedra. I think it could be possibly, I guess, a Bitcoin and Ethereum competitor. Peanut the squirrel still sitting heavy at still over 2,000% over the last 90 days. That shit is making millionaires. XRP 80% the last week. Damn. We're approaching the last 15 minutes. Let's see how this hourly gonna close. Looks like it's gonna close bearish. Because the dollar is still going up. Well, it's starting to pull back now. So we're on 137. It's not what we want. We want the 20s and the 10s. We want 105. What is this? Oh, man. You sitting in any position, Scoop? Or are you just waiting for the next session? France turmoil. AUD, USD. The US dollar continues to consolidate around the highs as the market and peak repricing off interest rates expectation and a stronger reason to price out the remaining cuts for 2025. CPI.
You hear me? Yeah, man. I was in the fucking gold buys and got stopped out in a positive and shit. And then that bitch started busting. So I just got back in the bitch. But I seen the shit going. I just didn't like the way it was fluctuating.
Right.
Because I had an early position though. That's what happened when you get them early positions. You be having to wait through that fucking fluctuation because that bitch gonna pop. And, you know. So now I'm in a little late, but whatever. I'm in that bitch.
Yeah, they said France government about to head is for a collapse over a budget. Yeah, but a dollar is whipping these countries' asses right now. They are feeling that shit. France is about to fucking crash. The yen. As traders are growing increasingly confident Japan may hike rates this month. We may cut rates this month. You gonna give me that engulfing? What you about to do, AU? We got 4 more pips to go. I don't know if you can do it in 5 minutes. That's hard. It's gonna be a big candle. It's gonna be a big 5-minute candle. To 83. Man, close up here, maybe break this, at least try to test this. We might have a fighting chance to get up here, break out of this. You don't see. You don't see. Push it on. Push it. Dollar is selling off.
Yeah, keep selling off so the gold can keep pushing. Fuck this. We need gold to push. I need all my money back in this. Let's go. Give me about 20 points on gold. I'll be a happy man. Bring that bitch to 67.
Thanks. And I wish I would have held on to them initial buys I was in.
What, AU?
So,
AU?
Yeah, I'm in buys, but I was in initially at like 64, 67, 68, but I got out because I thought that bitch was gonna turn around. off this rejection right here when it
Yeah,
started.
nah, I know. Nah, but remember what I was telling you, bro. That shit gonna do all that rangy shit and get niggas in and out that bitch till that bitch choose that direction. And you just wait till that bitch choose the direction. Appreciate you. Thank you for letting me know which way we going. And you get in that bitch.
I needed to close above 64.83. Need 3 pips away. We get up there. Let me see. Did this bitch do a 3 pip candle? That bitch did 3. That bitch did 4 pips. Okay, you can do it. You got it in you, AU. You can do it. But the question is, will you do it? That's the question. Bang. Trying to break out, bitch. Go on, do it. Don't play. Don't play. Just go on, do the damn thing. Like it. What's that, man? No.
The fucking dog ain't going nowhere with me. Dumbass dog.
Not very nice. How much is
I don't give a fuck. Don't stop, B. Do not.
We about to,
That bitch 50.
we about to wrap this bitch up here, man. I guess we're gonna see how these markets react.
Retarded ass dog, man.
We'll update everybody.
It's punished for the rest of the year.
You heard?
Ain't got no fucking change. We want to give you.
But we'll be back tomorrow in the morning, 7:30, same time. We got news tomorrow. Let me see. We also have news this evening, 4 o'clock at the new daily open. We got Judo Bank Service PMI for AU. At 6:30, we also have news for AU GDP growth rate. So I'll put that in the chat. It could be on point. Then tomorrow morning, we're gonna have news at 7:15, ADP employment, and 8:45, 9 a.m. Then we got Fed chair speaking at 12:45. So We try to catch that early news. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, man. We out. Peace and money.